Pendle. Pendle has had quite the year or so. The Pendle market has rallied really, really well. The price action has rallied really, really well. And we are now looking at a point where Pendle already made a very new, continues to keep making new highs. I've said for a while Pendle's target is at least is $5 or more. We're not that far away from $5 now. Basically it doubles and we're there. So I want to take a look at what this can hit in this bull cycle. Before I get into it though, guys, if you're new here and you don't know what the spreadsheet is, these are the first 26 coins that I did videos about on the channel. In the videos I showed myself buying up all of these coins. I expected they were going to make me a lot of cash. And you can see what these coins were worth when I recorded my videos, as well as the highs that they hit in under a year and a half. And these are what your profits would have been if you'd popped $100 into these coins. If you'd have done that for all 26, your profit in under a year and a half would have been over 123 grand, which is not too shabby. Now, I sold these, but I share the coins that I own on my website, which is copymycrypto.com. So whenever I find a coin that I think is going to make me a lot of money, I jump onto the site, tell my members about the coin, the profits, and the percentage of my money I'm putting in. They can copy along exactly, meaning they make the exact same profits as me. But the nice added bonus there is they don't have any work to do at all. And if you want to see what they've made, that's on the site. If you want to see what I've said in the past, that's on the site. It's all public record as well. You can verify it all. We're in a bull cycle right now, and if you do not have your portfolio sorted, if you're thinking about doing it in 6 months, it's going to be too late. You're going to have missed the profits. So now is actually the time to get the ball rolling, and copymycrypto.com can help you with that. Just check out what the members have earned. And if you like what you see, I'll see you there, guys. So Pendle. Pendle's a really interesting one because, when this launched, it was 5 cents. When it launched, it was about $1, but in 2022, it dropped to 5 cents. So from where it is right now, it's already done a 40x. And it's looking really strong. And let's just take a look. First of all, Pendle, just so you're aware, is a protocol that allows for the tokenization and trading of future yield. This creates a new AMM approach that basically supports assets with time decay. So basically it gives all users control over future yield by providing optionality and opportunities for its use case. Now, Pendle has 6,600 holders on Binance Smart Chain, 13,600 on Arbitrum, and 14,000 on Etherscan. Those people that got in early doors have done very, very well. And one thing that is worth noting with regards to Pendle, pretty much the whole supply is out, 92% of the entire supply. That's always a good sign from me personally. I like seeing that the circulating supply is near completion of the total supply, because it means you've not got the risk of a huge dump. So they're on about liberating yield. So they go through the various sort of ways that you can basically grow your yield. Since being up and running, they have now done $6.2 billion in trading volume. They have over 2.5 in total value locked. And yeah, they're on Ethereum, Arbitrum, Binance, BNB Chain, and Optimism. Although, I've got to double check that because I did not see Optimism as an option for a contract. Or a chain explorer even. Okay, maybe that's very, very new. Would have thought that would have been on CoinMarketCap. So the way yield tokenization works is you can split any yield-bearing asset into a separate yield and principal and the principal components for maximum control. You can lock your Pendle for a stake in the protocol as well. This has been trusted by Binance Labs. This has been trusted by Hashkey. This has been trusted by Crypto.com, Mechanism Capital, Spartan. Big names within the space have got in on this. It's been audited tons of times as well to ensure that everything is working smoothly. And if we launch the app, we can take a look at where things are with this and how you can have a play. Got it. So, if we're on Binance Smart Chain as an example, you can, utilizing Anchor and BNB, you can lock up effectively your underlying, your principal asset and the underlying APY. Pretty good, 3.35%. It's not too bad. It's stable. It's fixed. And you can do this with Binance staked ETH. Fixed APY is 3.6%. That's not bad again. You can use Frax's ETH to ETH as well. Fixed APY, I know my head's in the way, 6.2%. These are just some of the active, these are the active markets on Binance Smart Chain. If we jump onto Ethereum, we can take a look at that too. Point farming is the gold mine of today, and Pendle is your powerful pool. Those are nice. So underlying APY is 11%. That's just on your stable coin. 15% on your DAI, another stable coin. 4% on ETH. But the fixed APY is 53% via Zirkit. Again, the long-term yield of this is pretty damn good. Your fixed APY, so as an example with that Zirkit back at the top, your fixed APY was 53%. The maturity is 97 days, so that is going to take till June of this year. Again, what Pendle has done is open up people to the potential for long-term gains by basically locking up a bit of your token and deciding which platform you want to use. Pendle has done really, really well, and it is going to continue to do well, especially given that it isn't even on Coinbase yet. So it's got that potential for a Coinbase bounce, which could be massive. Look, I'm still going to say the target for Pendle is about $5, but I think it hits that very, very, soon. I could see that hit Pendle hitting $5 within a month and a half. And then we have to reevaluate. Now, what I will say, $5 I think is inevitable. The target for Pendle could be 10 or $20. It really could. This is getting a solid user base. The total value locked is there. It's clear that there's a strong user base here. The options for future yield are really strong. People are using it already. I think this grows. I think this naturally grows. I think it's inevitable it lands on Coinbase as well. So I think we're going to see real growth here. $5, like I say, I'm still going to keep that as the target right now, and we reevaluate when it gets to $5. But $10, $20 both on the cards for Pendle here. Question is how much do they grow their user base? The more they grow it, the more this coin grows. So let's see how their marketing and their advertising goes, and let's see if that user base grows. But that's my thoughts right now. I think this can do very, very well. Let me know what you guys think. Can it do way, way more than what I'm saying? Can it hit $100? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. And guys, if you want to make the same profits as me in the next bull or in this bull cycle, you can do. All you have to do is go to copymycrypto.com. That's the site I run where I share with my members the coins that I own. Anytime I find a crypto that I think is going to make me a lot of cash, I jump onto the site. I tell my members about the coin, the profits it can have, and the percentage of my money I'm going to put in. Members can copy along exactly. And it means they make the same money as me, like I say. There is no work for the members. That's why we have thousands and thousands and thousands of members. So if you want to make the same cash as me, jump onto the site, get your portfolio sorted. Now is the time, because if you're looking at doing that in 6 months, you're going to have missed all the profit. Check out the site, guys. And that's it from me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.